Now it's the 14th of August 2021. I'm now in North Yorkshire at Escrick St Helens Church, I think. Another country village church like Falkirk and Royston Way and Woolly. Oh, it looks nice round here. Oh, I'm going to video this. Certainly I am. There's 14 bells in that church. And it's only got 3 clock faces on there. So you can have that on my YouTube channels. I'll put this on my YouTube when I get home tonight. What's happened to the screen? So I'm going to video the church, the chime and strike 12, and then I'm going to video the inside of the church. I'm helping Dr. Robert for this wedding today because I've got here early, so I caught the train at just after 9 o'clock from Halifax, and then caught the train from Leeds at 10:32 and got to Selby at 11 o'clock just after, and then caught another bus out from Selby and got here about 11:45. So I'm here in good time for your wedding, bell ringing, so now I know what time they are now. So there's only 3 clock faces on this church. I'm going to video this for you. Okay, it's like woodlands. It's amazing. This is another special church as well. Aye. I'm going to video this until it's struck 12 and then do the inside of the church. Ouch. Lovely church. Got 3 black clock faces up there, so I'm going to put this on my YouTube for you so you can see it. It's a bit fast, isn't it? I'm going to go around the village and then do the inside of the church. So it's a Saturday, nearly dinner time before the wedding. So I can remember when I did this. Yes. I'm going to walk around. There's another clock up there. At least it's not raining, that's nice, that's what we want, nice weather. It's got a bit of print on it, but never mind. It should strike 12, it should. I don't see why it won't. It's next to a main road going towards York and Skipwith. Yes. Wagon. Oh, don't worry, if I need help again here again, I'll definitely come again. Oh yes, I don't mind at all. No. So what's its name? St Helens. So then I can remember where it is. So that takes you to York, that main road. Yes. I'll video it from here so I can see the full clock tower, and then I'll take some photographs of them, okay? Yes. It's gonna start in a minute, hopefully, I hope. Should go in a minute if it chimes. Go a bit further under the trees. Unless the bells are up like Selby Abbey, might be that then, I don't know. The bells might be upside down, that's why it didn't chime, but it doesn't matter anyway, at least I've seen it. But maybe ask Robert Layton, he might let me listen to his Westminster chimes. Yes, I don't mind. I'm not a fan of Westminster chime, it's just a straight through chime of the 4 notes, that's all it is. Yeah. So it's got 3 clock faces on this church, like Halifax Minster and Kirkeaton has got in West Yorkshire. Yep. Just a tickle in my throat, that. There's the other clock above the roof, like Kirkeaton. Yeah, in West Yorkshire. But you can have this on my YouTube. So it's a village church in the middle of nowhere. The reason I came early was because I didn't want to be late for this bell ringing today on the 14th of August. That's why I came early, so I couldn't be delayed by buses and trains. That's why I came early, to get here for this time. So you think, oh, I'm not coming, but I'm here now, so I can come any time. Let's have a look at the village. It's a lovely church, isn't it? Yeah, it's a bit special, like Thornhill and Falkirk and Woolley, St Peter and sort of Newmill in West Yorkshire. where I come from. Yep. Pennine magpie bird, black crow. So it's St Helens Church, it's escrick. So it's called the Fat Abbots pub, that I think. Excuse me, just make sure I'm alright. To walk around the village for a few more minutes and then I'm going to stop and then have my dinner. It's quite nice. Nice village, country village. Yes, it certainly is. I can't let you down, Robert, like this. No, I can't. I'm sorry, but I can't let you down, Robert, because you're my best friend from North Street Church, York. You're my best friend, and you're a lovely man to be with. Yes. There's no clock there, look. I'll show you this side. Sorry, I'm just wiping the screen. It's like woodlands, isn't it? Yeah, it's gorgeous. At least it's been a nice sunny day for me then. So the church is open today. That's good. I'll video this side of it. Oh, don't worry, I know where it is now. It's near Selby, but it's quite a way out of Selby with this church. So I know where to come next time. I might invite it again to ring. Yep. A lot of grey stones. Right, I think I'll stop there now.